The next important step is please make sure that you create your own developer org, because you won't learn that much just from viewing and listening. So create your own developer org and click through it, and please also do the stuff we've prepared. And now let's go into the material itself. You see here that I'm just logged into my developer sandbox, and I've just chosen the standard sales application from Salesforce itself. Application brings us to the first point. We have this 9 dots on the left corner, which is called App Launcher. Once you have a look at here, you see we have here a service app in our developer org, we have a sales app. You see you can go here through all relevant objects, and you see here I've also created my own application here. It's our ForceFox app. You will see how this works later on in our case study. And what I want to show you here, you see I have a lot of nav items here on top. You see here, let's say I want to remove the assets because I don't need it anymore. You see here now the assets are gone. You can also go here and select all the other objects you have access to. That's an important point. And put it in here. Let's say I want to have the files now and save it. And you see here, I have the files also now in my navbar here. What you can do, for every user, you have your own settings. See here, there's all your personal user information in here. We will go a bit deeper into it in the next videos, what you can do here for your own user. And for you as an admin, what's really important, you have here the small gear wheel, and there you can go to the setup, and you can also go to the service setup. That's something really beautiful. In your developer org, you have here the standard sales setup and the service setup. If you're working now in an org which has only the Sales Cloud licenses in place, you will see that you don't have this option to go to the service setup. So let's go here to our sales setup, and what I would suggest for every admin is to first check the company information. Go to the setup, type in here just company information, and we will get here. And you here see now you have your name for your organization, you have the address, you have the fiscal year defined here. And once I click on edit here, I can also define here my default locale, default language, and default time zone. You see here, I'm located in Germany. Time zone is also from Berlin, and as I said, default language is English here in this course. Let's move on with your company information. We have here our corporate currency is in euro. We have also multiple currencies already enabled. Let's also have there a deeper look in another video. And what's really important here is this number, or combination of numbers and letters. That's your Salesforce organization ID. That's of course unique for every org you create. And it's really important once you have a problem and you need support from Salesforce itself, you always have to type in your organizational ID so Salesforce knows which org has a problem. What's also good to know is that you have here a complete overview of your user license. You see, I'm in a dev org, I only have 2 licenses available, and also 2 in use at the moment from the Salesforce licenses. And here you have an overview of, let's say, all your licenses, all external tools you're using. That's are the user licenses itself. Here we have also permission set licenses. Permission set licenses often come with additional tools you're using. For example, you have marketing automation, for example, Pardot in place. There you have an permission set license for a connection user, and also permission set licenses for the users which should use Pardot then. In a later stage, we will also implement CPQ, and then you will see here we have also the CPQ licenses here under permission set licenses. And then we have our feature licenses. These are, let's say, additional features to your standard licenses. For example, marketing user. We will have a look at this later also once we create our users. Once you have this marketing user checkbox enabled, this user will be also able to create campaigns and so on. And that's really just the first overview. In the next videos, we will have a look at it. What will happen once you change your settings here? What will happen once you change your personal settings? And also some features every user can use there in this personal settings. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next video.